Now the topic before us is emerging trends in antivirus. First is machine learning and artificial intelligence. As the cyber criminals are making use of the latest technologies to develop new versions of viruses and malicious softwares, the antivirus software is adopting machine learning and artificial intelligence techniques to enhance threat detection. These technologies can analyze large volume of data and identify patterns and anomalies that may indicate the presence of malware or malicious activities. It means that the latest technologies such as machine learning and artificial intelligence help the antivirus software in detecting new forms of viruses and malicious softwares. Next is behavior analysis. Antivirus solutions are utilizing behavior analysis to find out how programs and files behave so that they can identify suspicious activities which will indicate the presence of malware. Next is cloud-based antivirus. Antivirus solutions are using cloud computing for faster and efficient threat analysis. In the case of cloud-based antivirus solutions, if any suspicious file is detected by the antivirus software which is installed in our computer system, the information about the said suspicious file is sent to the cloud-based server, that is the server of the vendor, and the analysis of the suspicious file is done there. Now, antivirus is also making use of cloud-based scanning. Cloud-based antivirus solutions use the power of remote servers to offload resource-intensive tasks such as scanning and analysis. The servers, that is the cloud servers, use machine learning, artificial intelligence, and big data analytics to identify previously unseen or zero-day threats. This antivirus combines the facilities of real-time updates and advanced detection capabilities. Next point is zero-day threat protection. As the cyber criminals are always busy in developing new forms of viruses, there may be some viruses which are of very recent origin and for which the patches have not been developed by the antivirus software vendors. So, the zero-day threats are the previously unknown weaknesses or exploits that attackers can use before the software vendors can patch them. Antivirus solutions are focusing on developing techniques and technologies to detect and mitigate zero-day threats through proactive monitoring, behavior analysis, and threat intelligence. Next is Internet of Things security. As the number of connected devices is increasing world over, antivirus solutions are adopting to protect IoT devices from malware, unauthorized access, and potential exploitation. Next is ransomware mitigation. Ransomware attacks have become more sophisticated and prevalent because the cyber criminals are using new versions of viruses and malware. Antivirus solutions are incorporating ransomware detection and mitigation mechanisms to prevent file encryption and data loss. It means that as the ransomware attacks are increasing world over, in which the new forms of viruses and malicious softwares are being used by the cyber criminals to get ransomware from the targeted individuals as well as the organizations. The antivirus software vendors are gearing up to meet up the challenge being put forth by the ransomware attacks. Next is enhanced privacy protection. Antivirus software providers are prioritizing user privacy by including features such as blocking, tracking technologies, encrypting sensitive data, and safeguarding against unauthorized access. It means that sometimes it may happen that we may visit some malicious website, and that malicious website downloads some malicious software on our computer system. We do not know. When we use the internet, it may be possible that the malicious software which has been got installed by the malicious website on our computer, it will transmit our personal as well as confidential business data to that malicious website. So the antivirus software may include features such as blocking, tracking technologies, so that the website may not track what we are doing, or it may not get access to our data which is there in our computer system. Threat intelligence and information sharing. Antivirus companies are actively collaborating and sharing threat intelligence to improve threat detection capabilities. By pooling data on emerging threats, they can collectively respond more effectively to new and evolving malware strains. It is important to note that the field of antivirus software is constantly evolving, and it is very important to stay updated on the most recent developments and trends. Now we will like to conclude this course. While purchasing antivirus software, we should consider many important points such as effectiveness, real-time protection, scanning capabilities, compatibility, user-friendly interface, pricing of the antivirus, and reviews as well as the reputation of the antivirus software vendor. Password manager helps us in creating strong and unique passwords. It also securely stores our passwords in an encrypted database. Antivirus software will continue to face challenges in future as the cyber criminals are using the latest technologies to develop the new versions of viruses and and malware. We should not indulge in unauthorized copying, distribution, or modification of antivirus software. Antivirus vendor must provide accurate information about the capabilities as well as the weaknesses of the antivirus software. Antivirus software is adopting latest technologies so that it can enhance its threat detection capabilities. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give star rating to our course.